I'm at the joint base here in Alaska where we've just witnessed US President Donald Trump greet Russian President Vladimir Putin on American soil, an extraordinary moment that could reshape global politics. The choreography was carefully managed. Both leaders exchanged handshakes on a red carpet that laid across the frozen tarmac, posing briefly for photographers before declining questions from the reporters. President Putin then joined Trump in the presidential limousine as they headed to what promises to be one of the most consequential diplomatic encounters in recent memory. The meeting format has evolved. Originally planned as a one-on-one talks, Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Special Envoy Steve Witkoff will join the American delegation. These discussions are expected to run several hours, with both leaders bringing fundamentally different objectives to the table. Trump seeks a swift resolution to the Ukraine conflict, while Putin aims to legitimize territorial gains secured through military force. But the implications extend far beyond Ukraine's borders. India is watching particularly closely from New Delhi. Throughout this conflict, India has maintained strategic autonomy, purchasing Russian energy while strengthening ties with Washington. Today's outcome could force difficult choices about this carefully balanced multi-alignment policy. The economic stakes are equally high. A breakthrough could see America's softened stance on countries trading with Russia, and failure risks dramatic hardening of US trade policy with shockwaves across global markets from Mumbai to New Delhi. Now, financial centers are watching this nervously. The choice of Alaska as a venue is significant. American soil, yet geographically closer to Russia than the continental United States, providing both leaders symbolic advantages for their domestic audiences. What unfolds at the base will reverberate far beyond, potentially reshaping the geopolitical landscape for years to come. As this extraordinary diplomatic gamble continues behind closed doors, we'll bring you all the updates. This is Reena Bhardwaj for ANI from the US Joint Base in Alaska.